Bitcoin stays above $17,000, Ether trades below $1,300. Indian Crypto Association seeks relief from high taxes. Aussie crypto exchange dismisses almost half of its staff. Chinese court says NFTs are virtual property protected by law. Coca-Cola releases FIFA World Cup NFTs. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. Cryptocurrency markets are trading higher on reports of the Chinese government planning to ease lockdown measures, and market participants look forward to US ISM non-manufacturing PMI data scheduled for release later in the day. Bitcoin traded above $17,000 levels, while Ethereum was firm below $1,300 levels. Vishakha Thakur joins us to explain how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today. Over to you, Vishakha.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading up by 2.3% at 26,150 points. It has been a tumultuous year so far for the crypto wars, firstly with the crash of the Terra Luna and FTX collapse following the same. As a result, the overall cryptocurrency market is drastically affected. Recently, the markets have seen some signs of recovery. The global cryptocurrency market cap was trading higher around $870 billion, gaining as much as 2% in the last 24 hours. The total trading volume jumped almost 27% to $38 billion. The US ISM non-manufacturing PMI could raise more concerns over the US economic outlook following last week's ISM manufacturing PMI, which pointed to a contraction in the US manufacturing sector. While the ISM manufacturing PMI showed a US manufacturing sector contraction in November, economists forecast the ISM non-manufacturing PMI to fall from 54.4 to 53.1 versus a PMI forecast of 48.8. US stock futures traded lower as investors await more economic data ahead of the Federal Reserve's December policy meeting. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures fell by 123 points or 0.36%. S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 futures dipped 0.43% and 0.34% respectively. Bitcoin was trading at $17,315, up 1.8%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 3%, trading at $1,295. BNB was up 1.6% to trade at $295. Next on the list, Solana Sol was up 4.5% and was trading at $14. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $14, higher 3.8%. Next on the list, Polygon Matic was trading up by 2.8% to trade at $0.93. Cardano's ADA token was up by 2.2% to trade at $0.32. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 2.3% at $0.10. Shiba Inu was trading up by 5.2%, and Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.39, up by 0.7%. Last on the list, Polkadot was up by 2.8% to trade at $5.
Thank you, Vishakha, for this in-depth market analysis. And now back to the headlines. A prominent Indian cryptocurrency trade body, Bharat Web3 Association, has red flagged the high taxes and regulatory uncertainty in its draft of concerns and recommendations submitted to the Indian Finance Ministry, which is holding consultations in the run-up to the budget for 2023-24. A meeting between the BWA representatives and the Indian Finance Ministry officials, particularly with officials of the Central Board of Direct Taxes, is expected to take place next week. As per media reports, BWA, which counts Coinbase, CoinDCX, CoinSwitch Kuber and Polygon, among others, as founding members, has said unfriendly tax policies are hurting the growth of the crypto business in India. The crypto advocacy body also asked the Finance Ministry to frame stronger regulations for the sector in light of the FTX crisis. BWA is engaging with the government to ensure a strong regulatory and compliance framework is put in place. The Australian cryptocurrency platform SwiftX laid off 90 of its employees, representing around 40% of its total workforce. CEO Alex Harper assured the company is well positioned to cope up with the current turbulence caused by the FTX meltdown. However, he expects another market plunge during the first half of 2023, hence the amendments. The executive said SwiftX had no direct exposure to the bankrupt exchange FTX. Still, we are not immune to the fallout it has caused in the crypto market, he added. Harper believes trimming a significant chunk of the workforce might be beneficial for the Aussie firm to weather future black swan type events. A Chinese court in the city of Hangzhou has said non-fungible token collections are online virtual property that should be protected under Chinese law. The court decided it necessary to confirm the legal attributes of the NFT digital collection for a case and admitted Chinese laws currently do not clearly stipulate the legal attributes of NFT digital collections. It comes after the Shanghai High People's Court issued a document in May that stated Bitcoin is similar subject to property rights, laws and regulations despite the country's ban on crypto. Coca-Cola has teamed up with Crypto.com to release a collection of 10,000 World Cup NFTs. These NFTs were generated by tracking the in-game movements of players in FIFA World Cup matches. It is reported that the NFTs will be developed and hosted on Crypto.com's NFT platform by GMUNK, a digital artist who previously worked with Nike, DoorDash and musician Grimes. Now let's go to Vishakha Thakur to get updates on the three buzzing stocks of the day.
Binance has decided to remove several trading pairs for Serum's SRM token, including those against the Binance Exchange token, Bitcoin and Tether's stablecoin. Since FTX's massive collapse, Project Serum has been plagued by uncertainty. Despite being marketed as decentralized, some high-profile developers speculated that someone at FTX might have held keys to the exchange, including Max Schneider, co-founder of crypto exchange Mango Markets. This did not affect the Solana market as Sol was trading at $13.99, up 3.77% in the past 24 hours with a market capitalization of $5 billion. Flipkart, one of India's leading e-commerce platforms, has announced a strategic partnership with Polygon and Ethereum Layer 2 scaling protocol. Flipkart, which is 77% owned by Walmart, announced in a press release that the collaboration will result in establishment of a blockchain e-commerce center of excellence. According to the release, the COE will work on research and development of Web3 and Metaverse commerce use cases in India to accelerate Web3 adoption. Polygon was trading at $0.9349, up by 1.79% in the past 24 hours with a market capitalization of $8 billion. In the last 2 weeks, the price of the Aptos blockchain token APT has increased by more than 25%. This is the first time since the token's listing that its quotes have ended with a positive result 2 weeks in a row. Surprisingly, the APT price has risen despite a relatively low level of interest according to trading volumes. For example, trading volumes have only exceeded $140 million twice in the last 14 days, when such volumes were previously considered minimal for this crypto asset. In terms of Aptos' performance as a blockchain, the number of addresses is increasing and daily transactions have stabilized at around 600,000. In addition, the amount of gas fees is also growing, which generates additional revenue for the blockchain. Aptos was trading at $5.38, up by 1.95% in the past 24 hours with a market capitalization of $6 million.
Thank you, Vishakha. Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more such updates, please like, share and subscribe to 3.2 TV. Have a great day.